Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create text box in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly then show the Google Sheets file is the create text box. Now going to the format insert menu option. Now click for the drawing option. Then click for the text box option. Now create a text box. Then text box is the anything right. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then I show the carrot text box in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.